Hey guys, welcome to my channel Food Treasure. Today we have a recipe for chicken lollipop without using any artificial food color. So it's basically everything you can get at home. It's a homemade. Now let's take a look at the recipe. First I'm going to show you guys how to prep the chicken. As you can see, I got the drumhead there. I'm gonna take out the skin. That's why I'm cutting through the skin and the muscle around the joint, scraping until you have the space to hold it. So I'm using a paper towel to take out the skin. The peeling of the skin is really easy with the paper towel. You can use the newspaper too. And pull out the meat, turn inside out, and it will look like a lollipop. Now we are going to marinate the chicken. We have all the essential spices already prepped. We got chili, ginger garlic paste, garam masala, cornstarch, salt, pepper, lemon juice, cumin, coriander powder, and then turmeric. So everything is there. In the mixing bowl, we already have those prepped chicken, and now we're adding that turmeric, the cumin, coriander powder, the chili powder, the garam masala, salt, pepper, lemon juice, ginger garlic paste, take some canola oil, and we're going to mix them really well. So make sure all the spices go through each and every chicken, and then we put in the refrigerator for like 2 hours. We take it out, and now we're going to add the cornstarch. The cornstarch is gonna make a coat, the out layer on the chicken, so all the spices, it's not gonna burn, like it's gonna hold inside, and it will make a little bit thick as well, that batter. And now we are frying the chicken. So in the deep pot we are heating some oil for deep frying. And now slowly we start frying it one by one. We turn it around, make sure it's cooked all the way through. Once you get like really good color, make sure it's not burned, and then we take out the chicken, put it on the top of the paper towel. The paper towel gonna hold all the remaining oil, so it's not gonna look really welly, and it's ready to eat. Look at this mouth-watering chicken lollipop. You can make it home, and you can serve with the peri peri, chili sauce, but I'm serving with the ketchup, but you can serve with anything you want.
Thanks for watching. If you want more such videos, make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon.